We believe that employee satisfaction not only comes from the workplace, but from the communities that we give back to, and we're proud to make our communities better for our employees and all of the residents in the communities.
I was born and raised in Fort Frances, so growing up here over time, I've noticed that child activities or organizations for children have slowly dwindled over time to eventually become non-existent. So seeing him take that initiative and creating or recreating activities for young families in this area is exactly what this district needs.
We're getting in at a core level, and we're being able to grow with the community. As the community ages, they realize that Dryden GM is here not only as sales and service, but we're there because we care about the community that we live in. We're part of it.
I feel the Beyak Automotive Group has had a large impact to our community in the fact that being a northern community that doesn't have a lot of funding and programs put forth, that generates a great place for our youth, promotes families to come to Dryden. You know, that type of partnership with the community is allowing for a future for everyone.
All the communities that we are in, we give back. There's not a lot of organizations that give like the Beyak Automotive Group does.
Well, the community involvement's been huge, from bringing the Bass Tournament back to life to the Fort Frances Youth Soccer. I think there's so many events that wouldn't be happening now or have happened in the last year that wouldn't have happened without the involvement.
You know, when I started here, we had the Ice Dogs hockey team, and then over the years I've seen Nick and the team here, obviously, with what we can put together for the food bank, which has been huge. And then most notably last year with the splash park. For a community like Dryden, we're a small town, and to have somebody that's able to contribute in such a big way, you just don't see that in small towns.
They have been a tremendous support in the work that we do here in the community. They're very community minded, and we're thankful for them and what they do for us.
Without them, we would not have 300 athletes enrolled in this program. Without their support, we wouldn't have a long-term sustainability.
The gravity of the yearly commitment he makes is immense, right? We know every year that we're going to be okay to start. When we know that it's going to be kickstarted by Nick's contribution, it's a little bit of levity for us where we can say, okay, we're going to be okay every year.
When we get generous donations like the one from Beyak Automotive Group, it helps us lower our costs that we have to put towards things like jerseys so that our families don't have to take that cost on, so we can keep things affordable for them.
I don't know if there's anything more than the pride that we take coming into work every day, knowing that the jobs that we do here is also helping our community and supporting other people in it.
Part of my position has been to organize and build some of these, and it's been awesome. At the end of the day, once we get these jobs completed, it's been very pleasing to be part of that.
It's just amazing to see what we can do when we all come together and work hard for a greater good.
Going to the arena for a hockey game and people just recognize that I work for the Beyak Automotive Group, and they recognize all of the things that we do for the community in the community. It makes you feel really good.
You know, one person can't make a big difference, but an entire group, you can incite really massive changes and positive things in the community.
Community involvement is something this organization takes very seriously. We are continually investing in the communities we do business in to enhance the communities for not only our staff, but also for our customers and the citizens of those communities. And we can only do that by having an amazing staff that takes care of our customers and our customers that patronize our business. That allows us to invest money back in the community to enhance life for everyone in it. And that is a huge motivation of mine on a daily basis to improve the communities that we operate in.